I'm Simon Carding. I lead a program on food microbiome and health within the Quadram Institute. So my research is focused on gut microbes and how gut microbes influence our health, but also how they can contribute to diseases. And one disease we're particularly interested in is ME/CFS. The funding that ME Research UK is providing us is critical to undertaking studies in ME/CFS. And Restore Me is to evaluate the safety and efficacy of fecal microbiota transplantation as a potential treatment option for ME/CFS. So fecal microbiota transplantation, or FMT, involves replacing a potentially abnormal or dysfunctional gut micropopulation in the patient with a healthy one to hopefully alleviate symptoms and treat the disease. And it's important to remember that there are currently no effective treatments or cures for ME/CFS. So if the treatment has any impact on disease symptoms, severity of disease, this is significant. And because of the mode of delivery of the treatment, which is through capsules, this opens up the possibility of treating the most severely affected patients, which are housebound or even bedbound. Most of our research is funded by the charity Invest in ME Research, and we're working in partnership with the charity to develop Quadram as a centre of excellence for ME research. The funding that's provided by ME Research UK will allow us to enhance and build on the studies that are part of the Restore Me clinical trial. In particular, allow us to look at the impact the treatment has on viruses which have been historically related to ME/CFS, to provide more direct evidence of a role for these viruses in causing the disease.